Hey guys, welcome to LogNips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Jeans Pilot account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Jeans Pilot account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address banking.zinspilot.de like this, and on enter. And after that you'll be redirected to the home page of the Jeans Pilot bank account like this, you can see. And now in order to log into your Jeans Pilot account, you can see either you can directly log into your account from over here, or click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen over here, you can see. But we'll not be doing that, guys. You can see we can log into our account from over here directly. So let's enter our email address with which we have signed up for a Jeans email account or a Jeans Pilot email account, Jeans Pilot bank account, and after that enter your password, guys, like this. And after entering your email address and your password, you can log into your Jeans Pilot account from over here where it says login. If you click on this button, you'll be signed into your Jeans Pilot account. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says have you forgotten your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you can or you will be able to retrieve your Jeans Pilot account's password. And with that being said, guys, if you have not signed up for a Jeans Pilot account, click on the to register button account. Click on the to register button at the top right corner of the screen to log into go to a procedure to sign up for a Jeans Pilot account. And with that being said, guys, this is how you log into your Jeans Pilot account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.